Graphics.
Hi and welcome to Lee Graphics. In this video, I am going to show you my first portfolio which I have created in 2023 as a freelancer to show my clients while project discussion when we ask for portfolio. So, as you know already, I have shared all my complete journey as a graphic designer, how I have started and initially how I was creating designs and step by step and day by day how I have improved my skill, knowledge and creativity. So if you have not watched that all videos, so you can check on my playlist. So in this video simply I am going to show you all the designs which I have included in my portfolio to show my clients before 2 years in 2023. So let's get started and watch this complete video. So hope you enjoyed this video. In next video, I'm going to show you my absolutely latest portfolio which I have created now to show my clients. So thank you so much for watching this video, and if you are new one on this channel, so I will recommend please keep on subscribing my channel.
Graphics.